Hello and welcome to Boardgame Ninja. Today we're showing you how to play Akropolis. At the end of the video we also explain how to add the Athena expansion. City-states compete for wealth and glory in ancient Greece. As an architect, you bring honor to your city by building housing, temples, markets, gardens and barracks, so that your city rises above the competition and earns eternal triumph. Each district that you build during the 11 rounds of the game is worth points. But you also need plazas to score points. To calculate your score, multiply the number of stars in a district's color by the number of matching district hexes. The player with the most points wins the game. Akropolis is for 2 to 4 players, takes about 25 minutes to play, and is suitable for architects aged 8 and up. With more players, the game might take a bit longer. There's also a solo variant in the box. Each player receives a starting tile and some stones. The first player gets 1 stone, the second 2, the third 3 and the fourth 4 stones. The first player also takes the Chief Architect marker. For 2 players, use only the tiles marked 2+. For 3 players, include the 3+ tiles, and for 4 players, use all the tiles. Shuffle them and make 11 equal stacks. With 2 players, each stack has 3 tiles. With 3 players, it has 4 tiles, and with 4 players, they have 5 tiles. Form a line with the rest of the tiles in the middle, called the construction site. Stone is essential in this game, so keep a supply at hand. The Chief Architect begins by choosing a tile from the construction site and adding it to their city. Each city tile consists of 3 hexes. These can be quarries, which provide stone, districts, which are worth points when placed in the right way, and plazas, which multiply district values. The first tile in the line is free. To take a tile further down, you must pay stone. 1 for the second, 2 for the third, and so on. Place a tile in your city. It must be connected to at least one side of an existing tile. You may also build upwards for a higher level. To do so, the new tile must cover at least 2 tiles below it and cannot hang over empty space. Any hex you cover is no longer part of your city. After placing your tile, the player to your left takes their turn. Continue until only 1 tile is left. Place it on the first position. Then start a new round with the next stack of tiles. The next player clockwise becomes the new Chief Architect. The city is scored at the end of the game when all districts are laid out and your city is complete. You only score the districts that you can still see. Districts built on a higher level are worth more points. 2 on the second level, 3 on the third, and so on. Each district type scores in a different way. Houses. Citizens love living together. Count the number of hexes in your largest connected group of houses. Markets. Who likes competition? Score only if a market is not adjacent to another market. Barracks. Soldiers defend the city. Score points for each barrack on the edge of your city. Temples. These holy sites thrive at the heart of the city. Score only if the temple is completely surrounded. Gardens. Everybody loves a park. These score without placement restrictions. In order to score districts, you need plazas of the matching color. They don't need to be adjacent, but without the stars of the plazas, districts are worth nothing. So think carefully when choosing between a district tile and a plaza. In this example, you could either add 2 housing axes for a total of 10 housing, which will give you 10 times 2 stars equals 20 points, or take a tile that adds a star, boosting your 8 housing tiles to 8 times 3 stars is 24 points. 1 star can make a big difference. But you need a stone to acquire the right tile. You get 1 stone for every quarry you cover. At the end, score all districts by multiplying their value by the number of stars in matching plazas. Add 1 point for every leftover stone. The player with the highest score wins the game. The Athena expansion introduces construction cards, offering new ways to please Athena, the goddess of wisdom and craftsmanship. Only 4 construction cards are used per game. Place them beside the construction site, each with 4 tiles underneath and 1 type of statue part above. To complete a construction card, build the exact layout shown. You can only complete each one once. When you do, take one of the mini tiles and a piece of the statue that are linked to the construction card to show your achievement. Mini tiles are powerful. They may contain extra stars or jewel districts. Pay attention to how you place them. You can link 2 housing districts or split 2 markets, for example. The game ends the same way as the base game. But instead of scoring 1 point per leftover stone, you score 5 bonus points if you completed Athena's statue. These are the rules for Akropolis and the Athena expansion. We hope you enjoy raising your ancient city to new heights and making your people proud. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. See you for the next one. Bye!